Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work on Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just go to Trello.com. First of all, make sure to log in into your account if you are not logged in. And if you have an account, make sure to simply log in into it. Or if you don't have an account, of course, you'll need to go and create a new one. You can even use a lot of options if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into an account. You can use like Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack accounts if you want to do so. So once you're logged in, you will find yourself here. So how can you work with it? So first of all, you will need, of course, to create a workspace for you. This is an example of workspace that I have. You can start creating some boards as an example. You can invite some members. So basically, Trello is basically used to get things done. Here, you can simply make things easier with your team. As example, if you're trying to make like, I don't know, you're trying to make a to-do list, you're trying to make like a big project and separate it into small steps, and you can assign each member's example to a specific like thing to do. So you can basically make a big project very simple if you have like a team. Of course, here as you can see, you can create like some board. You can give an example this visibility for my workspace, click on create as an example. And in this board as example, I can start adding as example a lot of stuff. I can add some power-ups, I can add some tables, some calendars, some to-do lists as example, some lists here as example. I'll just add a test list. I can add some card example. So do this, I don't know, do tomorrow or something like that. And as you can see, when people like finish it, they will check in here. Of course, you can add your all team here. As an example, you can assign this. I don't know. This is as an example, Omics like assignments, and you can add another list as an example. This is an example, Alex assignments, and etc. as an example to do some to-do lists to basically get things done. And yeah, that's how you use basically Trello for work. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.